Hello, my name's Ken Andrade and I'm from the Newport office of Staten Island Yacht Sales. My biggest passion is selling yachts and I love meeting new people. It's a great job to have, and even though I sell the whole line, Absolute is my favorite. And I have many passions besides boating, and it's classic cars and flying. I have a 1982 Cessna 172 RG. I think the best advice would be that think about how you're going to use the boat, moreover than how it looks or how you think it's going to be. Depending on how you use it is what will determine if it's going to be the right boat for you. I have my captain's license and done a lot of research to be a better broker for you so I can sell your boat officially for the right price. So if you're in the Rhode Island area and you're coming to see Newport, give me a call. I can show you some boats and show you around, and check out my listings. If there's anything that interests you, give me a call.